And now let's see how Marts and Paula will demonstrate jive choreography with teaching count. And quick, quick, quick-a quick, 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 quick-a quick, 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 quick-a quick, 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 quick-a quick, 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 quick-a quick, quick-a quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, quick-a quick, quick-a quick, 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 quick-a quick, quick-a quick, 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 quick-a quick, quick-a quick, 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 quick-a quick, quick-a quick. Very good. Let's look once again from opposite direction. And quick, quick, quick-a quick, 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 quick-a quick, 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 quick-a quick, 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 quick-a quick, 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 quick-a quick, quick-a quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, quick-a quick, quick-a quick, 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 quick-a quick, quick-a quick, 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 quick-a quick, quick-a quick, 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 quick-a quick, quick-a quick. And now let's see same jive choreography, but this time in slow motion. So we start with link first 5 steps, and we continue with whip. From here we dance Mooch, which is a rock, then kick close, again rock, and triple step. We repeat this from opposite side, rock, 2 kicks, again rock, and triple step. We dance overturned, Fallaway, Throwaway. So lady runs away, and we continue with chicken walks, 2 slow walks and 2 quick walks. Then we dance ending of overturned, Fallaway, Throwaway, and we dance again chicken walks, this time 4 quicks. Now we dance again overturned, Fallaway, Throwaway ending, now American spin, and then change of place left to right. Very good. Let's see once again in slow motion from opposite direction. So we start with link, first 5 steps. We continue with whip. From here we dance Mooch, which consists of rock, then 2 kick closes, then again rock and triple step. Now with opposite foot, rock, kick close, again rock, and triple step. Now we dance overturn, Fallaway, Throwaway. Lady uses spiral turn and lock step. Now chicken walks, 2 slow and 2 quick walks. We continue with overturned, Fallaway, Throwaway ending, and again chicken walks, this time 4 quicks, overturned, Fallaway, Throwaway ending, and now we dance American spin, and we finish our today's choreography with change of place left to right. Let's thank our wonderful demonstrators Marts and Paula, and special thanks to my patrons on Patreon. Because of your love and your support I can continue to produce free dance videos on YouTube and Facebook. Thank you. And today I ask also you to consider joining us on Patreon and have early access to all my new videos and have personal advice from me, from Egils Smagris. I hope you enjoyed this video, thanks for watching, and see you in the next dance videos.